Dear PT candidates, I sincerely hope you have understood what our non-stop live PT training system is. If you haven't, this video is for you. Non-stop PT training from our innovative live class portal simply means just that. It's non-stop. You click in any time between 11 a.m. till 8 p.m. and there will be a live PT training session. That means all the sessions are back to back. One session ends and another one starts. From this training system, you don't just get your typical lectures and lessons. Rather, every day we have 4 types of training sessions: intensive lectures, rapid strategy sessions, guided practice, and speaking feedback. Intensive lectures. To truly master each topic of PTE, we have 2 sessions a day on weekdays. In these sessions, our instructors go in depth of each PT topic, leaving you with no confusion and clear pathway to success. Rapid strategy lesson. To focus in on a particular skill set of PTE mastery, such as note-taking method or listening time management, a candidate can use this session to quickly review the PT strategies when they cannot make time for intense 2 hours lectures. Guided practice. This is where you practice in front of the instructors, followed by feedback and demonstrations. Every week, there will be new set of questions and practices for you to get exam ready. Speaking feedback. This is where you get your money's worth. Truly, this is the best value for your money, and for us, this is from where we guarantee your PT success. And again, twice daily, you get feedback on pronunciation and speaking content recognition. Now on weekends, we do not stop. We have rapid lectures. This is for us busy ones. The lessons provided in these lectures are highly effective and fast. You actually can cover all 20 PT topics in just one weekend. And you guessed it right, it is also non-stop. One session ends and another one starts. Best I not forget, we also have open discussion and everyday Q&A session from 5 p.m. till 6 p.m. for you to quickly click in, ask your questions and clear you any doubts. Wondering why we have this non-stop training system? Well, to give you the greatest flexibility in professional PT training possible so you can get your PT success fastest possible. This was Smita from PTE Study Centre. Good luck with your PT preparation. Remember, your PT success now, only few clicks away.